1991 E30 with the M20 engine. How do you easily remove oil pan from it? How do you easily replace the oil pan? See, this one is busted. I bought it this way. Previous owner hit the curb, busted the oil pan, typical. And even the oil pump is busted too, so I have to replace that. The way you do that, obviously, is drain the oil, engine oil, unbolt all of the bolts around the oil pan, once you do that, unbolt the engine mounts, two front engine mounts. Mine's are torn, so I didn't have to do that. See? Lift up the engine at the transmission bell housing. It's going to lift up this much. You're going to lower the oil pan. Then you're going to unbolt these 13mm bolts, oil pump bolts. There's 3 of them. Then the oil pump will drop in the oil pan, and then you'll remove the oil pan forward. Old oil pan is out, new oil pan is ready. What you want to do is put the oil pump in the pan and put everything back like this. You're gonna have to play with this a little bit. I'll show you right now. But first, what you want to do is clean the surface, remove the old gasket, put a little bit of silicone on these corners right here where the aluminum meets iron block, here, and on the back. Install the cork oil pan gasket. Make sure it's not moving. Let that dry just a little bit. See, I forgot to remove the oil dipstick. I'll do that now. Then you just slide everything back in there. Bolt the pump from the sides, and then bolt the oil pan. See that? Now bolt up the oil pump. As you can see, I bolted back the oil pump. What's tricky is putting the shaft back in there. You just have to know the spot. And that's it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a small bead of silicone on the old gasket here. I'm reusing my old cork gasket because I don't have time to wait for the new gasket to arrive. So I'm going to put some silicone around and put the oil pan back on there. Bolt it back in there, and that's it. That's how you do it. Quick and easy. If you like this video, subscribe, watch the other videos on my channel, and I'll see you next time, guys.